Welcome to the future of manufacturing. With Robato Systems, monitor production in real time, track targets instantly, and drive smarter factory operations. Every count matters. Welcome to a smarter way of monitoring production with Robato Systems. Introducing the Production Counting Display Board, designed for real-time target, actual, and reject count visibility on the shop floor. With a simple button press, production counts are updated instantly and accurately. But production counting is only the beginning. Let's transform shop floor data into actionable insights. Traditional production counting provides numbers, but limited visibility. With Robato Systems, production data flows directly to the cloud, enabling real-time dashboards, OEE monitoring, performance analytics, and remote access from anywhere. Transform production data into actionable business intelligence. Plan production centrally and synchronize targets automatically across every production line. With Robato Systems, display boards receive updated targets in real time, while completed jobs seamlessly transition to the next scheduled order. Reduce manual effort, improve planning accuracy, and keep production running efficiently. Monitor production performance in real time with powerful dashboards and OEE analytics. Track targets, actual output, line status, quality, and efficiency across your entire factory. Gain instant visibility, make faster decisions, and continuously improve operational performance. Production losses often remain hidden without proper downtime tracking. Robato Systems captures every stoppage, records downtime reasons, and provides real-time analysis to identify root causes. Reduce losses, improve productivity, and drive continuous OEE improvement. Manage users, configure display boards, export production reports, and connect seamlessly with ERP and MES systems. Robato Systems delivers a secure, scalable platform built for modern manufacturing operations. Ready to transform your manufacturing operations? Partner with Robato Systems for smart production monitoring, OEE tracking, downtime analysis, and factory digitization. Contact us today and let's build better together.